gonna say to Mama? What are you gonna say? Thank you, Mom. Wow. It's stroller. Let me see. Here. Take the baby out. Wow. So cute. Oh, give it to me. This one first, the baby. Oh my. I'm so sorry, honey. I broke your scissor. Where's mommy's scissor? This one. Just sit down, please. Here. This one, look, the cart. Or the stroller. Baby stroller. Look. Come here. Baby stroller. Walking. Hold on. Yay. Just sit down right there. Sit down. Sit down. You have to sit down first. Mama have to fix it. No. Oh, you have to put this one on first. Yeah. You have to put the tire. Just sit down. Sit down here. Handle. Did you like it? Yeah, but did you like it? Oh my goodness, honey. Hold on, wrong way. Wait, mommy. Mama will help you put the tire. Yay! More. Yay! Put the hat on. Go.
Put the hat
broke it?
Naughty, mommy.
Naughty mommy? Mommy broke it? Wow! What are you gonna say to mommy? What are you gonna say to mommy? Thank you. Give a kiss, mommy. Give a kiss, mommy first.
Mommy.
Yes. Give me a kiss first. Come. Give mommy a kiss. Love you.
Love you.
Okay, go ahead. Go play, okay? Yay!
Oh! Shoes.
Yay! This is alphabet. Yeah, alphabet. Yes, alphabet for Emily. Yeah. Yes. Yay. Go sit down. Hold on. Wow. See? You have to show it first. Look. Wow. Open. ABC. You have to put it back. Put it back. L. Find the L. This one. D. Hold on. Hold on, baby. Hold on. A. D. Number 2. You have to help mommy. Help mama. 7. Wow, good job. This is 1. This is 1. And this is B. Put right here. This is 6. This put right here. 6. Good job. Just sit down. 6. This is letter G. Put right here. Put right here. Wrong way. Good job. What else? J. Put right here. And L. Here. This one. Good job. H. Here. H. R. W. Fishing. 1 for you and 1 for mama. What do you want? Blue or red? What do you want? 1 for you and 1 for mama. Blue. You want blue? 1 for you and 1 for mama. We have the fishing. Okay, go. Fishing. Okay. Here, come. Sit down. Sit down here. Go here. Come on. Wow. Fishing. Wow. Take it. Look, mama. What did you get? You got letter L. Right here. One more. Z. I got the letter Z. What did you get? Letter P for Emily. 5. Good job, Emily. Good. M. Let me do it too. S. Q. R. Oh. You have to share. We have to play together, right? Yay! Emily got R. How about E? How about E for Emily? U. Umbrella. 1. More. S. I got the S. Snake. Emily got apple. Letter A. Yay! Good job, apple. Letter A. F. Fish. Yay! Good job, Emily. Good job. Switch. Yay! And X. More. Yay! More. P. 9. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. E for Emily. Put your toy. When you're done, you have to put it inside. Okay, come on, come on. E for Emily. M. Emily. Put it up. Let me see. C. What is this? Oh, put it here. Oh, right here. Look at this. Good job. And how about Z? And then I. Ice cream. And 7. J. Jar. A for apple. 6. V. Number 3. Oh, you have to help mommy. 8. Letter P. You have to help mommy. Number 10. X. So where's the X? This one X. C. Right here. What did you got? Letter T. Here. T. T. And then C. Look. Right here. H. You're gonna fishing again. R. F. Q. Hey, don't hide, don't hide. B. J. L. Where's the L? No, this is not L. What is this? L. No, this is not L. This is 1. S. Hey, what are you doing? What are you hiding? Don't hide. We have to put it back here. Hey, baby's right here. Look, the baby's fine. You have to take care of your baby, okay? Don't make it cry, your baby.
What's this? The alphabet. What's the alphabet, doll?
Emily, look at me.
The alphabet, doll. What's the alphabet, doll? No, where's the alphabet?
Where? Where did you put?